Every year, we here at TMS endeavour to bring you the latest, greatest enhancements in Solidworks. And of course, this year is no different. But what about if, in addition to the software enhancements, we were able to bring you a new way to get your hands on Solidworks? A way in which you can still get access to all the great products and services that Solidworks has to offer, but without having to pay that upfront cost. Well, going forward, that's exactly what we're now able to offer. Good question. Using Solidworks Standard as an example, usually over £7,000 for as little as £197 per month. Simulation for as little as £171 per month. And of course, this offer extends to the 3D Experience platform as well, where a designer role can be had for as little as £102 per month. For any further details, please contact your usual account manager using the number shown on screen.